They say that sweet pea is the kind of flower that the fairies slept in. So, if you want to invite positivity into your garden, plant some sweet peas. Sweet pea is a vine that can grow up to 8 feet in tall and in good soil can bolt into pretty flowers in small 8-inch planters like we have here. Sweet pea is believed to be native to Italy and other parts of Europe. All varieties of sweet peas grow wonderfully well in hill stations of India. In the plains of India, only the early flowering ones do well. Sweet peas do not perform well in the places near a coastline where the climate is warm and humid. Sweet peas need well-dug soil to a depth of 2 feet. They grow well in rich soil and bright open areas. Look how we have kept them on the backyard wall to give them every bit of sunlight possible. The soil should be kept moist but not overwatered. Sowing them in cocoa peat might be a good idea. Beware, unlike the real pea, sweet pea is not edible and may even be toxic. Sweet peas can transform nitrogen from the atmosphere into nitrogen that plants can use as a fertilizer. They bloom in spring and summer. They may be white, pink and purple in color. The flowers usually remain for 3 to 7 days. These are wonderful flowers to decorate garden walls. We transplant as well as sow them directly in sunny, airy planters. I read once on the internet that there are only a few pleasures, like really burrowing one's nose into sweet peas. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. See you soon, green buddies.